Welcome to the world of Shree Srishti Textile, where every bedsheet tells the story of Jaipur's timeless tradition. We are proud manufacturers of authentic Jaipuri bedsheets, crafted with love, heritage, and a deep respect for our artisan roots. For generations, Jaipur has been known for its hand-block printing and vibrant designs, and at Shree Srishti Textile, we carry this legacy forward. Each bedsheet is made from premium cotton fabric, hand-printed by skilled artisans, and designed to bring both comfort and elegance to your home. Whether it's floral block prints, traditional Sanganeri motifs, or modern Jaipuri patterns, our collection is created to suit every taste and style. What makes us special is not just our quality, but the authenticity we promise. Every product reflects the rich craftsmanship of Jaipur, ensuring durability, softness, and unmatched beauty. We are trusted suppliers for wholesale buyers.